Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the good, nice Greenote Air Purifier for home for rooms up to 430 square feet. That's nice. The H13 True HEPA Filter. It's an air cleaner with 22 decibel super quiet mode. This purifies 99.97% of smoke, dust, pollen, pet, dander, mold, odor, cooking smell as well, etc. out of the air. It's a high efficiency air purifier. According to the WHO, the indoor pollution is 5 up to 10 times of outdoors. 3 layers HEPA filter and a 360 design captures 99.97%, absorbs the fine particles, PM 2.5, dust in room, pet pander, smoke, mold, pollen without emitting ozone. The effective purification area is about 215 square feet. These are round about 20 square meters. 10 times 1 hour. Yeah, that's awesome. It's a high efficiency air purifier. It prevents respiration problems, allergic reactions, and asthma. Most Silent Air Purifier. Thanks to Nidec's advanced turbocharging technology, the air purifier can operate as low as 22 decibel when working. No loud sounds and light interferences. We could enjoy a great night's sleep and a breath much more easier for the next morning to start an awesome new day. And undisturbed operation air purifier. 4+3 operation modes with 4 level of speed adjustment and 3 of timer adjustment to set up easily. We can use it in any desired situation whenever we are at work or in the bed, or even when relaxing in the front of our television in the living room. And it's a low consumption air purifier. Life starts from energy saving. The power consumption is only 0.24 kilowatt per hour, even if it's running in strongest mode. 24 hours. Only 0.121 cent per day. That's not so much. Simple, clean, and modern design, suitable for any home style. We don't need to check our mailbox since we will get rid of the trouble of electricity bills, of course. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. That's the Greenote Air Purifier AP10. Let us breathe fresh air. The Greenote True HEPA Air Purifier keeps us away from terrible environment and let us breathe easily indoor. It's a deal for the entire family because of the 3-stage filtration system. We have the nylon pre-filter, captures large airborne pollutions such as pet, dander, lint, and dust. Also helps to protect and minimize the life of the H13 True HEPA filter. The next layer is the H13 True HEPA filter itself. Hello. It removes 99.97% of airborne contaminations as smaller as 0.3 microns, such as dust, mills, mold, and pollen. Keeps us away from allergens. And the next layer is an activated carbon fiber. Eliminates various household odors, including cooking smells, smoke and pet odors. Also absorbs harmful VOCs to avoid secondary pollutions. Yeah. It's so nice. It's so many different problems, like pet dander. Removes the pet hair, dander, odors, etc. It's helping us to solve the problem of air pollution caused by pets effectively, and allergen. It helps us to keep away from allergens such as pollen, dust, and dust mills, protecting family health, especially pregnant women and babies too. and of course cooking smells. It helps us to remove the cooking, fume and odors. It's giving us a clean and comfortable dining environment. And smoke. Effectively remove the smoke, saying goodbye to secondhand smoke, keeping away from tracheitis, pneumonia, and other respiratory diseases. And it's really awesome. The silent sleep mode. Yeah, as low as 22 decibel when working at night. We can enjoy our sweet dreams with no worries. Oh yeah, that's really awesome. If you're looking to it, 22 decibel, it's like whispers in the air. Or more than. No, it's not so much like a whisper. Because whispers is around about 40 decibel. It's less than whispers. A normal conversation mode is like 60 decibel, okay? The noise is 70, so you can see 22 is really less. The Greenote is devoted to providing a healthier and more high quality life for people. They attach great importance to product quality and service. They will always be here if we need them. Yeah. When? That is an awesome thing. When you are eager to have a pet but are afraid of being allergic to their hair, dander and odors, the AP10 can solve our worries. When you go to bed but are worried about being interrupted by sound, we can use a sleeping mode which is so quiet. The AP10 can give us a great night dream. When you want to buy a gift for our friends or relatives, the AP10 will be our best choice. Easy to take and carry, and it looks elegant. It is recommended that the filter element be replaced once every 3 up to 6 months. I am changing this filter once a year, okay? But it's up to you. It's recommended by the brand to do that 2 times a year. We have to remove the plastic bag before we are using the device itself, of course. It's a really nice thing. The model is AP10. The input voltage is DC 24 voltage, 750 milliampere. The rated frequency is 60 Hz. The rated power is 10 watt. The noise level is from 22, that's silent mode, to 49 decibel. The CADR is 100 cubic meter per hour. The dimensions are 211 to 211 to 295 millimeters. And the weight is 1.7 kilograms. You can see it's a lightweight but so nice designed device. It's really awesome. And it's so easy to detach it. We have a control panel on the upper side, which comes with fingerprint. That means you can make a finger on it, swipe it a little bit, and then it will be programmed. Then this control panel we can use to raise up the van rotation. We can go to silent mode in it. We can switch the timer on and set up the timer. And of course we can switch it off. Then we have an air outlet. This is on the upper side. It's a halo around the screen, okay? It's around the control panel. There, the new nice air is coming out. Then we have the main body, and the main body has the power supply connection, and we have a filter. The filter is not built in, we can replace it, but we have to remove the base of the machine, and then we can remove the filter and replace the filter, of course. We have to unscrew the machine based anti-clockwise. Then we take out the filter element and remove the filter back. We put the filter element back to the original position. We screw on the base, check whenever the base is tight, and plug in the power line. And then we can turn on the power and we will go clean up the entire room. We have a shutdown status. We plug in the power supply. The bottom makes a short sound. Yeah, then it's ready. We can have a switch button, power on for example. When the machine is turned off, we touch the switch button lightly and the power indicator will be on. The machine is turned on. The machine will run in the year when the machine was shut down for the last time. If you're going to like a shutdown, in the working state, tap the switch button to the machine will enter the shutdown state and all the indicator lights will go out. Then we can choose the window speed button. The gear is adjusted by the speed regulation key. We have pressed the speed regulation key to cycle between the first gear, the second gear and the third gear. When the speed is adjusted, the indicator light of the corresponding gear is on. LED 1 is the first gear. LED 1 and LED 2 are the second gear. And all the gear lights are on. That is the third gear. Then we have a sleep mode. Awesome. We press the sleep key to enter the sleep mode. The machine will run the first level and all lights will be off for sleeping. And we have a trimming key. After the system is started, we can touch the timing button for timing operation. Cycle in the sequence of 2 hour, 4 hour or 8 hours timing off. And then the machine will be turned off when the time is up. Oh yeah, the filter life. In the first stage, after using the machine for 2,800 hours, the filter screen indicates an LED flash with a frequency of 1 Hz to remind as user to replace the filter. In the second stage, after using the machine for 3,000 hours, the filter screen indicates the LED on for a long time, prompting the user to replace the filter screen immediately. After the screen alarm is generated, we have to press the key for 5 seconds to clear the current display screen alert. After the indicator for replacing the filter screen lights up, if the filter screen is not replaced, it can continue working too. That's the Greenote Air Purifier for home, for rooms up to 430 square feet. With H13 True HEPA Filter. It's a nice air cleaner and it's not so big. 22 decibel super quiet mode is an awesome option. And it purifies 99.97% of smoke, dust, pollen, pet, dander, mold, odor, cooking smells, etc. out of the air. I like it really much and say thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.